We were in, whoa, what's going on there? Let's hit the calculus button and go down to rules of differentiation, and I need to make sure there's not a 4-1. It doesn't look like it. 5-1, that's where we are. Wow, am I going to ever get that to come up? There it is. Well, that turns blue like that. It says find the derivative. We have y is equal to 6x over 12x minus 1. So let's write that down. 6x over 12x minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, let's go over to the board. And what about green again? Buddy up for green. What are we doing? We're doing y is equal to 6x over 12x minus 1. Now this is going to be the quotient rule. Okay? The quotient rule. How do you like that? I just abbreviated quotient rule. Okay, let's figure that out. This is the quotient rule right here, and the way the quotient rule is, we'll use f. And we have some function g over some function h, and this could be f of x, g of x, or h of x, whatever. And this is how it works. All right, it's pretty simple. It's f prime is equal to, now we take the derivative of the numerator times the denominator minus, this one's different here, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, and it's all over the denominator squared. Okay, you see that? Denominator squared. So that's what we're going to do. So y prime is equal to, so we take the derivative of the numerator, derivative of 6x is 6. Okay, the derivative, or then rewrite next to it the denominator minus, rewrite the numerator, times the derivative of the denominator, and derivative of denominator is just 12, right? Just 12. Okay, and then that's all over 12x minus 1 quantity squared. So now what we want to do, this is the quotient rule. The quotient rule. Hold on, I'm writing something down here real quick. Writing some, and I guess I should probably write that out. Maybe you can't understand me or something. So it's stated as the quotient rule. This is the quotient. Quotint. I hope I spelled that right. Alright, we got y prime is equal to, we're just kind of simplifying this thing down up here. So 6 times 12 is 72x minus 6. And then, of course, 6 times 12 is 72. So we got minus 72x. It's kind of funky that cancels out, but that's what happens. And then we have 12x minus 1, and of course we don't do anything with that, so we'll write this again right over here. Y prime is equal to, the 72's here are canceling out. They're canceling out. Okay, and we're left with a negative 6 over 12x minus 1 quantity squared. All right. So there's our derivative, and this is the quotient rule that we used to find that derivative. And hopefully, yep, there it is, negative 6 over 12x minus 1 quantity squared. Let's see what's going on in the help. I say help me. Let's see, this is an example of the quotient rule. Yes, it is. And of course, I write out the quotient rule down here so you can refresh your memory, or maybe learn this for the first time. All right, you know where you are, and I might see you there.